Hey you guys, what's up? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today what I am doing, if you can already see, I reupholstered these bar stools. I'm changing it from this deep brown color and to this gold because it matches my living room better. So it is really easy, super easy. All I used was a pair of scissors, my fabric, and a stapler. And I did need screwdriver as well to unscrew the screws on the bottom of the bar stools. But that is it, that's all. And I'll go ahead and just show you how quick, simple, and easy I did this. Stay tuned. So to begin, you want to measure how much fabric you're going to need. I've already measured it because I've done the other one. But I had a lot of extra fabric left over, so I'm going to do something with this. But once you have it measured to size, you'll go ahead and lay it on your surface perfectly. And then I kind of pull the fabric in so that it's super tight and no lumps or bumps like you see this. I'm gonna pull that so none of that is showing on the final product. And once you have it flipped over and tight as it can be, you'll take your handy dandy stapler and just begin to staple the fabric in place. Nice, simple, easy. And it's better to use an industrial stapler, but I'm working with what I have already. It seems to hold well and it's able to keep the fabric in place. So I'll just do this all the way around in a circle until every staple meets each other. Okay, so if you can see, I have stapled the edge surface in a complete circle to hold the fabric into place. And for the extra fabric, I'll go ahead and just flip it backwards and then use my scissors to go ahead and cut it. See, I told you, super quick and easy. It took me all of about 20 minutes to do the entire thing from start to finish. And I thank you guys though for checking out this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and leave any comments or questions that you have down below. And to the next video.